Hi, we are extremely happy to introduce our session management capabilities. Our solution for session management enables footprint reduction, total cost of ownership saving, and enhanced security. We have gathered all lessons learned from deploying privileged session management at scale to provide you with innovative solutions to protect access to your organization's most sensitive assets. This session management solution is based on the technology and architecture of Dynamic Privileged Access, or DPA, which began as a born-in-the-cloud SaaS solution to provide just-in-time privileged access to Windows and Linux VMs, both in the cloud and in hybrid environments. We chose to expand the technology and architecture to secure access to infrastructure assets including Windows, Linux, databases, and Kubernetes. Users can securely access target systems using credentials stored in the CyberArk PAM Vault, as well as with zero standing privileges. Access to stored credentials is based on your existing access control policies defined by safe permissions in the vault. When using zero standing privileges to access workloads hosted in the cloud, leverage the solution's attribute-based access control policies to dynamically grant system administrators, DevOps engineers, and application owners the right privileges for the right amount of time. Our solution supports native access to your most sensitive assets from within the network or from remote. Now, in addition to the Windows and Linux admins, database admins and developers can bring their own tools and connect with a secure proxy connection to the database and Kubernetes cluster. Sessions are isolated and include a full audit trail of SSH commands, SQL queries, and queue control commands that were executed. Video recordings of RDP sessions are available for download when the session ends. The architecture allows us to move most of the brains of privileged session management to the cloud, and in turn reduce the resource-consuming components required on premises. With our solution, all you need to do is deploy the lightweight DPA connector, which acts as a reverse proxy to allow secure access from the CyberArk cloud service to your organization's assets, using credentials stored in the CyberArk PAM Vault. This lightweight connector can support twice the number of concurrent sessions using 1/8 of the hourly rate required by the traditional PSM server. Furthermore, there is no need to deploy a load balancer. Providing high availability and load balancing to the DPA connectors is done by the CyberArk Cloud Service. No need for dedicated GPOs or app locker rules on the DPA connector host either. Organizations can use their own hardening according to their standards. No need for Microsoft RDS licenses for the connector host, and no need for frequent upgrades of the connector to gain new capabilities or security fixes, since most of the solution is based in the cloud. The deployment of the DPA connector takes minutes, and upgrading the connector is done with one click of a button in a central connector management view. Our session management capabilities can help you improve your organization's security posture as well. By providing your IT admins, DB admins, developers, and DevOps engineers with a better user experience, you will increase adoption of the solution as well. Leverage our solution's just-in-time capabilities to enforce a zero-standing privileges approach where possible. This is much easier to do with a single solution that provides access with both vaulted credentials and with zero-standing privileges. Our solution supports IDP-based authentication for native access, removing the common blocker from applying privileged session management controls. And because upgrades are so much easier now, getting security fixes is much easier as well. Lastly, you are no longer dependent on VPN solutions for remote access, since we provide VPN-less access. So, what are you waiting for? Review the resources provided at the end of this video. Follow the easy steps to set up the DPA lightweight connector and begin to leverage the benefits of our session management capabilities today.